Hi, Piper. Are you guarding the lobby again? Oh, look at that. She's doing a nice little sweeping job while she's doing it. Oh, what a good girl. Well, hi, baby. Oh, my. Yeah, I think she's going to go on a round soon. Oh, there she goes. Yeah, she does her rounds when she's guarding. Hi there. Yeah, let's check that out. The throw. Yep. Oh, there she goes. Over to the supply closet. Look at that. Yeah, see, she checks that out all thoroughly. Oh, there she goes again. Oh, she's sitting there right by the bathroom and across from the office. That's a good place to guard. Yeah, most people come by here every once in a while, don't they? Yeah, when they come to the office, they might come from the lobby and then come right down this hallway.